Shaka! It's the one and only Hips Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to cover this week, oh gosh, and this is a subtle twist of a daiquiri. And all we need for this cocktail is decent rum. Havana Club is really good. A Cointreau, which is a triple sec. We also need some sugar syrup. In this case, I'm going to use some maple syrup. A lemon, cocktail shaker with your crushed ice. You need a measure cocktail glass. So, boom, let's get shaking. First of all, 1.5 shots of rum. Half a shot of water. Half a shot of lime juice. Quarter of a shot of the sugar syrup, just need a little dash in here. Last but not least, the triple sec, so 1 shot. So, let's get shaking. And here we have it, the oh gosh. Wow. Really nice. Subtle notes of the lemon and the lime, with just the balance of the sweetness and the rum. It's a real twist of a daiquiri, this. Absolutely brilliant. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do check out all my other playlists to include daiquiris. Please do not forget to subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. This show is all about fun. Also, please switch on your notifications every Friday at 5:30. Enjoy. Cheers.